Alright, welcome to class once again. In this class, we'll be looking at stem and leaf diagrams. Now, we have some rough score here. Now, for your stem, you write it. You check the tens in the digit, and for your leaf, you check the units. Okay. So over here we have 2, 23, 25. So you put down 2. Another stem, we have 31, 34, 35. So that is 3. Okay, and for the next one, 42, 45, 47. So the stem there is 4. Okay, now let's start writing our leaf. That is the unit. So 2, we have 3, and here we have 5. Okay, let's go to 3. We have 1, 31. Next is 34, that is 4. And next we have 35, so that is 5. Alright. For 4, the first one is 42, so that is 2. The next one is 45, that is 5. And the next one is 47, that is 7. Now, most times stem and leaf diagrams are used to organize numbers neatly. You can see how neat those numbers has been how these numbers have been arranged. Okay, so now from this table now we can get the we can also talk about the smallest value. So the smallest here is what is equal to 23. If you look at it, 23, that's the smallest. And the largest here, largest equals to what? That is 47. Now you can also look for your range. Range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So our range equals to 47 minus 23. Okay, 47 minus 23 equals to 24. All right, so we can also look at what the most common stem. Most common stem. The most common stem, if you look at this, if you look at the values, is 4, 2, 5, 7. If you add it together, you know that that's the most common stem. So that is 4. That is 4. That is 4. All right. So what we usually do is stems on left, leaves on right. Stem the left and stem the right, and I mean leaf the right. Okay, so make one for this. The values are 12, 15, 21, 24, 25, 31. Okay, so arrange it in a stem and leaf diagram. Thank you.